Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by checking prerequisites. Open settings and confirm you're signed into your Apple ID because iMessage links to that account. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active so activation can complete. Without network, messages won't register. If two-factor authentication is enabled, prepare the verification code sent to a trusted device or phone number. Now, tap Settings, scroll to Messages, and press iMessage to start the immediate activation process. You're initiating the handshake between device and Apple servers. You toggle iMessage on and observe the status at the top. When it says waiting for activation, give it a minute and avoid toggling repeatedly. If prompted, sign in with the same Apple ID you use for iCloud so messages sync correctly. This ties your phone number and email to iMessage. Then open Send and Receive to confirm which phone number and email addresses can send and receive. If an address is missing, add it in Apple ID settings to keep continuity across devices. Once Send and Receive shows your phone number and chosen emails, test by sending an iMessage. Blue bubbles confirm success. If activation stalls, restart the iPhone and then try again, because a reboot often clears transient network or service issues. Make sure date and time are set to automatic and your carrier allows SMS for activation. If problems persist, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings and sign back in. But be aware, this can introduce up to a 24-hour reactivation delay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.